Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you send iMessage on iPhone. So guys, to do this, at first go to your phone settings, and after going to your phone settings, scroll, and here you can see messages. Click on messages. Here you can see iMessage option. Just turn on this option, and after turning on this option, here you can see send and receive. You need to wait for a few seconds and it will be active. Here you can see waiting for activation. After the iMessage has active, just here you can see send and receive. You will find two address. If you click on it, your number and your email address. Now after that, go to your message option. Click the top right this new message option. Click this plus icon beside here and select a number that you want to send iMessage. Just send a message and click on this right side arrow icon. And by doing this, you can just send iMessage on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.